AI is the queen of the smart computer systems. She rules with logic, patterns, and endless data. No emotion. Calm and calculated. Just how she likes it. Machine learning is her royal data wizard. It learns from data examples, and the more data it gets, the smarter its decisions become. So yeah, data is its magic. Deep learning is a powerful branch of machine learning with extra brain layers. It powers face recognition, voice assistants, and image generators. More layers, more power. Basically, brains on brains. Reinforcement learning learns by trial and reward, like training a dog with treats. Except, it loves positive numbers as they mean rewards, and rewards mean do it again! Bots use this strategy to master games and tricky tasks. Yep, rewards are its favorite snacks. Deep reinforcement learning is a hybrid of reinforcement learning and deep learning. It combines deep brain layers with reward-based learning. It's how self-driving cars, drones, and advanced AI agents are trained. Yep, trained to think, built to move, no chill. And Lady Natural Language Processing, she's the AI interpreter between humans and machines, the translator between you and ChatGPT. Talk nerdy to her, she gets it. All right, that's it for today. I need a banana snack. See you in the next AI snack.